So, we're going home. Okay, so we're in the car. Look.
Ay, bago naman yung makalimutan niya. Alam, konti lang ang magiging tulo niyan. Lalagay.
Okay, so I don't know what they're gonna do. My clip. So, is that mine? Outfit check. Dressed. Shoes. I don't know. Wait. I think. Wait. Bye, Lola. Bye, Lola. Bye, Lola. I just said goodbye and my grandpa. It's so sad because we're going home and we're gonna go to the boat.